An 8K drone with a built-in screen remote at budget price? Today, we're testing the brand new E99 MAX Drone. Hey guys, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're reviewing the 2026 new E99 MAX Drone, a compact foldable drone with dual cameras, smart flying features, and a 4.3-inch screen controller. Let's see if it's actually worth buying. First impression, the E99 MAX looks surprisingly modern. Foldable design, compact and travel-friendly, lightweight body, bright LED lighting for night flying. Folded, it's small enough to fit easily into a backpack. Now this is the coolest feature. The remote controller comes with a built-in display screen. That means live camera view without needing your phone. Easier flying experience, more beginner-friendly control. For many users, this alone makes the drone feel more premium.
The drone includes electrically adjustable front camera, bottom HD camera, and real-time FPV video transmission. It also supports gesture photography, 50x zoom, MV video creation, and beauty filter effects. Perfect for casual aerial videos and social media clips.
The E99 MAX is packed with beginner-friendly smart features. Optical flow hovering, headless mode, one-key takeoff and landing, multi-speed switching, gravity sensing control, 360-degree flips and stunt rolls, trajectory flight mode. These features make flying easier and more fun. Flight performance. Flight time is around 8 to 10 minutes. Control range is about 100 meters. Uses stable 2.4 GHz signal transmission. For a small budget drone, performance is decent for casual outdoor fun. This drone feels designed mainly for kids and beginners, social media creators, casual flying fun, learning basic aerial photography. The built-in screen remote makes the experience much easier for new users. So, is the E99 MAX worth buying? Compact and portable, fun smart flight features, built-in screen controller, beginner-friendly controls. But battery life is short, camera quality is not true professional 8K, wind stability is limited outdoors. Still, for the price, it's a fun little drone with some surprisingly cool features. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. This is Caring Guy, bringing you smart tech made simple. See you in the next one.